What's up everybody? In this video I will be practicing follow-ups to the movement I've had stuck in my head for quite some time now. Let's explore some of the ideas.
So the movement is rolé do lado, or rolé to the side, followed by, yeah, exactly. I'm currently stuck with meio de compasso, but I want to change that, so let's get on with it. This one's difficult. It's because you need to have a balance. You need to have really nice balance. Let's try something flashy. Oh shit, that might be my favorite so far. I think I'm gonna explore some more ideas with compasso pulado because it's too good. And to finish up, something super simple. Oh,